Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone alarm guide, and here I'll detail how to make alarm volume gradually get louder. So if you want to make your alarm volume increase gradually, instead of coming up once like the alarm volume is ascending, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to make your alarm volume gradually get louder on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the health application. So I'm just going to go ahead now and search for it. Now, once you open the health application, if you already set up your health application, this is what you're going to see. Now, on the health application, click on browse at the bottom right. Then here you have access to your data, and if you have any data here, you're going to see it here. Otherwise, just scroll down and click on sleep schedule under your schedule. Now, once you selected sleep schedule, turn on sleep schedule. And here, you're going to see full schedule, additional details, and other options available here. You can also manage this sleep schedule on your Apple Watch if you have any. Then go ahead and click on set your first schedule. Now, set your alarm under this active. So if you want to enable the alarm throughout the week, just make sure all these are enabled. Now, once they are enabled, come down to bedtime and wake up, and choose when you want to go to bedtime and when you want to wake up. So if you want to go to bedtime by 9, just use this now and adjust it until 9. Now, if you want to go to bedtime by 10, do the same thing and adjust it to 10. Now, your wake up time, then let's say you want to maintain the 8-hour sleep, then scroll to 5. So you can also use it like this, drag it. Let's say you sleep around 12:45, and then this is going to be your wake up time. So here, let's use 10 and 5. Then once you are done setting up the time, just like this, just scroll down and make sure you turn on alarm under alarm options. So if this is disabled, go ahead and turn this on. Now, once that is turned on, scroll up, and here, click on sounds and haptics. Here are all the alarm sound that ascend gradually or get louder with time. So let's try this out. So you want to choose any of these sounds under the sound and haptics that get louder with time, and then hit the bar button. Once you hit the bar button, go ahead and tap hard at the top right. Now, once you had it, this is going to create an alarm on your alarm page. Then you can just exit this. Now go ahead and open the clock application on your iPhone. Once you open it, then you're going to see your alarm time here. You can see tomorrow. That is your wake up time tomorrow. And once the alarm rings, this is going to occur in form of ascending or crescendo mode. And that is basically the best approach on how to make alarm volume gradually get louder. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.